For this cycle, I send you a drawing which says you're gonna be doing the orthographic projection of the following figure that is right here. Okay. So what happened here is in the orthographic projection, we're going into a new topic, which will be the last one that we're gonna cover for this cycle. And what happened here is that we are gonna be drawing the orthographic projection of this isometric figure. So what exactly is orthographic projection? Is known as the representation of different views of a three-dimensional figure, which includes the front, top, and the side view. Right? So in orthographic projection, we are not going to be using our set squares too much, right? In a way we don't have to settle them in a way where we need to use them a lot. However, we're going to be doing some drawings. We're going to be using our ruler to measure actually the sides, okay? All right, so in orthographic projection, we only need to show the front view, the top, and the side view of the figure. Okay, the front view of the figure will normally be given. In this case, we have an arrow. If you look at here on the arrow, this arrow here actually representing the front view. So I will be seeing my figure this way, right? Getting? So when I look at the figure right here, this way where the arrow is pointing, what are the views, what are the sides I will be getting? Okay, so let us analyze this. Okay, so if we look at our figure from where the arrow is pointing, I will only be seeing this one here, this side. I will be seeing this side here, and I will be seeing this one and this. Right, these are the views I will be seeing. I will not be seeing this top nor on the side. This will only be the views I will be seeing here on the front view. So how will I represent these views here? I need to represent them in the front view. So I will try it here more or less. Okay. This is one. Okay. 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 This is another one. If you notice, I am drawing the side front view here. Okay. What I am seeing here is the green. Okay, this is the front view. And lastly, I will be drawing this. So this is what we know as my front view. Okay, this is my front view here. Now if you notice, we have measurements also, right? So if we look at the measurements, we know that this is 30. Okay, here to here is 30. This is 60. And right here I have a 20. Another 20. 20. Now this is 40 millimeters. Right here is another 20. And this last piece here is known as a 10. So these are my measurements. I need to draw this here. Okay, if you notice, this line here is the same thing as this. Okay, also one thing you need to notice here, this is 10. This line that is coming here is 10. Okay, and this piece which is right here is actually 10 as well. Okay, all this that you see from here to here is 20, the same measurements as the one. Okay, so this is what I will be seeing on my front view. Okay, this is what you need to be drawing here on our front view. Now if we want to know, now we want to look now in our figure, we want to know now our top view. What will be the side I will see when I look at the figure from the top? Okay, so let us analyze that as well. So if I know I will be seeing this green area as my front view. Now my top view will be, what will be my top view? What I'll see on my top view, first of all, I will see this. I will see this part here, here, and here. So this is my top view. I am seeing the figure now from the top. Okay, instead of looking it from the front, now I'm looking my figure at the top. What will be my views? It's gonna be this one that I have here, okay, which is represented by the yellow, right? So that will be my top view here. Okay, so what I will see here, what I'm gonna be seeing here, let us draw this. So my top view will more or less look like this. Have a straight line here, which is this one here. I will close it. Okay, close this one here also. Okay, and if you notice, I need to close right here. Okay, what I have done here is this part, and this part here, 30 and the 20. I still have this part here which I need to continue this line up to right here. I can say I do this part again. Okay, I close this. Alright, You seeing what I am doing here? We'll move this so it could fit on my. So I have drawn these views here. I have drawn this, and this already. So I am left with this. Okay. So this is what I'll draw now. Alright, so we'll draw, continue this here. Okay. I will, you see I have this. I will do this now. Bring it a little bit down. Okay. Now I need to draw this line now, which I represented here. Okay. This one going down. And finally this line that is right here. Okay. So this is my top view. Okay. If I look at this, this is going to be my top view from here. This is what I'll be looking, the yellow one here. Okay, this is my top view, right? Like I do this on black as well, so you will notice this one here. Okay. Okay. So if you notice, this is my tab view I have drawn here already. You see the yellow ones I just darkened, which is this ones here is the same view I will be seeing. Okay, for the tab view. The tab view I am just doing it right now in black, so more for understand it better. Okay, so here, okay, we have the front, we have the top, the measurements. Okay, we know the measurements. What will be the measurements? So we know that from this is gonna be 60. Here to here is gonna be 60. This to this is gonna be 20. From here to here is gonna be 30. This section here is 20. This right here is 40. Okay, you following? These are the same measurements I am using here. 20, 40. What is the measurement that we have here? It's going to be the same thing like this, which is 30. So this is 30. And what is the measurement from this one here? It's 30 as well. So I could put right here 30. The measurement of this this side, the same thing like this. So this is equals to 30. From here to here, this is the measurement, 20. Okay, you following? Here, this part here, if you notice, it is equals to 20 also. So inside here is going to be 20. This is 40. Okay. This section here is the same thing like the other one, which is 20. Okay. Right. So these are the measurements you're supposed to have when you draw the top view. Okay. Right. Which is what we have here. Now we have the front, we have the top. Now we need to draw the side view. Okay. Which means when I am seeing the figure from here, okay, what is the areas, what will I see here? Okay, what are the sides I will see here? Okay, so let us do this right now. So first of all, what will I see? I will see this section, this here, this, and this one here. Okay, so you notice this piece, this one, this, and this one like look like a S. Okay, alright, so this is the area I will be seeing, the sides I will be seeing. Okay, so what will I do? I need to draw it here on the side view. Okay, what I am doing here is just sketching. Okay, we are not drawing so far, so this is only the first part of the video. This is just sketching for you to know the measurements. Then we're gonna be doing the drawing, okay, or the representation, because this is just the analyzing the figures, so you will know the measurements of the views you're gonna be using. Okay, so let us analyze this. Okay, so first of all, let us draw these two, which if you notice, this is a 30 and this is a 20 and the height is a 10. Okay, so I could do this right here on this side. I will go here. First of all, I will draw a rectangle over here, more or less this one. I will cut this, so this will be okay. I think that's too much. I will go more or less this way. So this is a 30. What is the measurement of this? This is gonna be 30. This is gonna be 20. And this, what is the height here? Gonna be 10. Right? You see? Now I have this, so I need to draw this part here also. Okay, well, how much will be this part here? This is 20 and this is gonna be 20. So I will be drawing also again from here on the top. This is gonna be more or less like this. Okay, so this is gonna be right here 20, and this part is gonna be 20 as well. Okay, so you have this, we have this already, we have this part, so I am left with this one here. Okay, so what will be the measurement for this one? So I have 10 going up, I have 30, you see here, I have 20, I have another 20, and finally this part here is gonna be 10. Okay, so let us do it one time. Okay, so I have first of all a 10, so means I need to draw a line going up. Okay, 10 millimeters, so this is 10. Okay, I need to do the other line, which is gonna be at 30. So we draw this more or less, make it reach around here. Okay, so that's what is the measurement of that line, that is gonna be at 30. Now I need to go down. Look at this. I have to go down. How much I need to go down? I need to go down 20 millimeters. So I took this and I will go down from here. I will go down 20 millimeters, more or less like here. Yes. So what is the measurement of that line? That line is going to be 20 millimeters. Now I need to go this way, which is 20 as well. So I will go 20 from here. Okay. More or less. And then I close it here. So this is going to be 20. And this is going to be 10. So right there I have the measurement of my side view. Okay. So I can just, okay, have the measurement of my side view right there. Okay. Front view, this is how it's gonna be looking when I have the front view. Okay. So this is the front view. This is my top view, how the figure is gonna look when I look it on the top. And this is my side view when I look at my figure on this side. Meaning this way. I am seeing my figure first of all this way, and from here, this is the front, this is the top. Okay, when I am seeing my figure from the top, and this is the side. Okay. Okay, when I am seeing my figure on the side. Okay, so I could more or less draw here, more or less. Looking at like eye, more or less, this is the side. Okay, right? So this is the measurements you need to have. We need to have when we start our drawing. Okay, we analyze first our drawing because we only need to draw the views, the front, the top, and the side. This is how my figure is gonna look on the front. This is how my figure is gonna look from the top, and this is how the figure is gonna look from the side, meaning this part here. Okay, so we understand this so far: front, top, and side. And after we have this, then we could do the drawing here. Okay, but you need to have this in order for you to do the drawing. All right, so after we analyze this, we can start with the drawing. Okay, which is we're gonna do it right now. Okay.